Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create first Flutter project, that is Hello World Flutter project. This is the beginning, so I will show you step by step that how you can create the project, and I will also explain you the core structure, that how that works. This is the Visual Studio Code, and you can create the project two ways, either by going here through terminal, or you can directly create the project by clicking Ctrl Shift P, just pressing the button Ctrl Shift P, then automatically it will come. Now it will show the second option, and finally when you click, then you have to select your root folder. So I am going to create the project from here, and now I will name it as first app. First app. Press enter, and now it will download the required file. You can see in the left side. So that's it. This is how you can create a very simple project, and it's easy, as you can see. Now what we will do, just go to here and then terminal and new terminal, and here to run this application I will write here Flutter run. Then it will ask you the option where do you want to show this. So I am selecting option number 2, so it will display into Chrome browser. So that's it, guys. You can see here it has successfully been run, and when you click, the counter is increasing. What I'll do, I will show this into Genymotion application. So I'm just closing this. I will go here. In my previous video I've already shown you how you can install Genymotion and run. In case you have missed that video, or if you have not watched it, I strongly recommend you to please watch that video so that you can get an idea how to install Genymotion. I have also installed Android Studio, but that is very heavy. So if you have lightweight laptop, like you don't have that much resources, this can be very useful. Though by this one is also has sufficient memory and all that, but still I prefer this one because it's lightweight and it runs very fast. So I'll click here to run the emulator, and after this I will run this project. It is booting, as you can see. So now we will once again start this Flutter run. So now you can see it is running into Genymotion. Now, so what we will do, you can see this is the whole structure. Okay. Now let's understand the code. This is the main dart. So this is the package which is being called material dart. That means Google uses material dart. That's why we are calling here. This is the main function. As you know, then whenever any dart program runs, this is the main function which runs first. Now after that, this is my app. So which is called inside this function, we are calling this class. And after this, this is the constructor of the my app class. This is the super constructor, that means the constructor of this one, and this is the constructor of this class. And finally here widget. So everything in the everything in this Flutter is widget itself. So this is the widget, and return, that means what? This is the whole thing what you are, not this one actually. Okay, so this one is closed. How? Yeah, this is the complete widget, this one, and this is also a new widget. This is another widget, this is another widget. So everything in Flutter is widget itself. So the first one what you are seeing, that means this one, this header is being called this material app, the header one. So you can see the color scheme here. If you want to change the color scheme, then after changing, It's going there. Somehow it's yes. Save this and then refresh. Then you can see the heading has successfully changed. So seeing this long code, you might have got scared that okay, the code is very large and it's not understandable. Don't worry, I'm making it short. Let's go here, and then this is the very basic code which will help you to understand that how this Flutter works. Just remove it, and you can see it's very short now, very short. Hardly it is around 20 lines of code, so it's very short. Now if you try to run this, means refresh, actually it has changed, so we need to run it again, then it will work. So guys, you can see now it's very easy to understand. This is the main, and now we are calling this my app inside this main function, and this is the stateless widget, that means it cannot be changed. This is the main container, and after this there is another widget, and that is build, and inside this is material app, and after that there is home, that means home page. Inside the home page, app bar, that means this is the heading, and this one is center, body part. So you can see it is very easy to understand. Later we will extend it, but for the beginners it's very easy to understand. This is the main, and this main is calling this one, the main function. This one is calling here, and finally this material app is the main design which is being created, and it is attached to here, and it is attached to here. So this is how this works. Now let's see if it can work. Now you can see here, so now understand from here, this is main app, the top part. Okay, let me scroll here. Let's compare here 3 points. This is main app, which is root app. After this, material apps, and then this is home page. Now compare with the output. This one is complete. Here this one is material app, complete box. Okay, inside this you can see there is scaffold, that means the inner part, the holder of all other. This is scaffold inside home page. So now this is app bar, this one, and this one is body center. So you can see this is the hierarchy, that how this whole things work. So first what happens, material app, then home page, then scaffold, and after this is body. So understanding purpose, as you can see, is very easy. Here it is one by one. Now what we will do, this home section we will create separate and call here home page, home widget. Okay, so what we have done, this home section, let's do one thing, I'll keep this one also. So let's comment, then it will be easier to compare. Okay, now if you check here, then what was there, home, this home section was inbuilt, that means inside this widget. Now what we have done, you can see this section is separate, means this is the part 1, this section is separate, now this part is separate, and inside this, the home section, inside material, this home section, we have created another class here, and inside this is scaffold and widget and all that. Okay, so this is how the default one you are seeing, and you can see it is much easier. Then after that you can understand that how this works. We are calling this material, and this was the home page, that means the main function, and this one is the main box. After this we are calling the home page, that means this inner section, and inside the inner section there is app bar, that means this one, and this is the body center, body section. So this is how all these things works. So guys, hope you understand that how the complete code structure of first program works. So let's meet in the next chapter. By this time, see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.